Under the embracing warmth of the Aruban sun and amidst the resilience of our coral reefs, and inspired by the spirit of the Aruban people, I bid you all a heartfelt welcome to our island paradise. As we gather for the 5th German-Caribbean Energy Conference, it feels like welcoming family home again, and our mission's gravity only grows with each sunrise. On behalf of the government of Aruba, I want to thank the Dutch-German Chamber of Commerce for believing in Aruba through good times and bad times, and for organizing this mission for the 5th time. And I want to thank all of you. Some of you traveled from far away, others closer by. I want to thank you for attending this conference and to attend this very important topic for Aruba. In a rapidly transforming world, change is palpable. We experience it through the shifting tides, altering weather patterns, and global conversations. And it is a shared challenge that intertwines our destinies, from the vibrant streets of Berlin to the pristine beaches of Aruba, Curacao, and Bonaire. For many, climate change remains a looming threat. Yet, for small island development states like ours, or big ocean states as we like to call it, it is our immediate reality. Our direct experiences with the effects of climate change underscore its devastating consequences. It's not just our economy that is at stake. The very essence of who we are, our identity, lies in the balance. The beaches, the coral reefs, and ecosystems that underpin our tourism industry represent more than economic assets. They are the heartbeat of our homeland. And recognizing the risks of continued fossil fuel dependence, we are committed to a transformative energy journey. Under the Rethinking Energy framework, we are charting a new course. And at the heart of this strategy is our people, the people of Aruba. We envision the energy transition as more than infrastructure and policies. It's a societal transformation deeply rooted in the dreams and hopes of every Arubian. And in aligning with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, we embrace a holistic approach to progress. Every clean energy initiative, every conservation effort, every carbon reduction action paves the way towards a brighter, more sustainable future for all. And as we embark on this journey, our guiding principles are clear: collaboration, transparency, progress. We look forward to innovations, to insights, and technologies that this conference will offer. We regard all of you, our distinguished guests, as partners on this transformative path. Together, we can craft solutions that not only benefit our islands, but can resonate globally. In closing, please remember, the challenges we face may be vast, but united, our potential is infinite. Aruba might be a small island, but our spirit and aspirations know no bounds. Beyond the tourist haven, we are a symbol of determination, resilience, and commitment. Our path forward is clear: reflection and global collaboration. Together, as a global community, we will navigate the challenges ahead and foster a brighter tomorrow. With that, I once again extend my warmest welcome to all of you, and may this conference ignite the flames of innovation and sustainability. Thank you.